From the air, Reykjavik, Iceland, appears as a vibrant tapestry of colorful rooftops, meandering streets, and the sparkling waters of the North Atlantic. Nestled amongst a dramatic landscape of volcanic peaks and sweeping lava fields, it stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of exploration. Join me as we journey through this Nordic gem, uncovering the secrets behind three of its most iconic landmarks. Our first destination towers above the city skyline, Hallgrímskirkja Church. Its stark white facade and soaring spire dominate the horizon, beckoning visitors to uncover the secrets within. Inspired by Iceland's basalt columns, the church's design reflects a deep connection to the natural world. Architect Guðjón Samuelsson captured Iceland's dramatic beauty, creating a building that is both art and worship. Inside, a serene sanctuary of towering arches and soft light invites quiet contemplation. Ascend to the top of the church's 244-foot spire for a breathtaking view of Reykjavik. From this vantage point, trace the city's colorful rooftops winding towards the harbor. The rugged peaks surrounding the city stand as silent guardians. To the south, the Atlantic Ocean stretches towards the horizon, shimmering under the midnight sun. The view captures Reykjavik's unique charm and its harmonious relationship with Iceland's landscape. Hallgrímskirkja is not just a landmark, it's a symbol of Reykjavik's enduring spirit and artistic excellence. Our next stop is Reykjavik's scenic waterfront, where the Sun Voyager sculpture stands in silent contemplation. Crafted from stainless steel, the Sun Voyager's skeletal frame rises like a Viking longship setting sail. Its sleek lines and graceful curves evoke a sense of movement. The Sun Voyager, created by John Gunnar Arneson, is a dreamboat, an ode to the sun and its life-giving energy. It's a symbol of hope, progress, and boundless possibilities. Feel the cool ocean breeze and imagine yourself as a Viking explorer setting sail centuries ago. The Sun Voyager is a beacon of inspiration, reminding us that the journey is just as important as the destination. As the sun sets, the sculpture takes on an ethereal glow, perfect for an unforgettable photograph. Our final destination is Harpa Concert Hall, a shimmering edifice of glass and steel on Reykjavik's harborfront. Harpa's mesmerizing facade, designed by Ólafur Eliasson, reflects the ever-changing colors of the sky and sea. Inside, soaring ceilings, expansive windows, and sleek design create an atmosphere of grandeur and intimacy. Harpa is home to 4 concert halls, each with unique character and acoustics. Attend a performance, catch a show, or simply wander the public spaces, admiring the stunning views. Harpa is a cultural hub, a gathering place to connect with the arts and celebrate Reykjavik's creative spirit. Appreciate the intricate details of its design, from the glass facade to the curated acoustics. Harpa stands as a testament to Reykjavik's commitment to creativity and the transformative power of the arts. It's a place where music, architecture, and light converge to create an unforgettable experience. As our journey through Reykjavik's landmarks draws to a close, I hope you're inspired to experience the magic of this city for yourself. From Hallgrímskirkja to the Sun Voyager and Harpa Concert Hall, Reykjavik will captivate your senses and leave you with lasting memories. If you enjoyed this glimpse into Reykjavik, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Happy travels, explorers! See you in Reykjavik!